What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and we're going to do a quick visual condition report on this, starting with the front right wheel. I don't see any curb rash. The chrome itself looks really nice. I see a rock chip right here, and it looks like some cracking along that fender. We have a scuff there, and then you can see a gash right here, a little scuff there. Got another scuff here. It's not as bad as it looks. It's actually something here on the surface of the paint. Got a rock chip here and a small scuff. And then you're going to see some cracks down here. Overall, this looks good. Got a chip right there. That lower section looks nice. Here on the flare, you're going to see a couple small rock chips. And we have some sort of scuff here. It's not a chip, I don't think. It's something on the surface of the paint. The rest of that looks good. That wheel looks amazing. You can see this is very clean back here. Overall, this grille looks really good. We have some chips in here. Some of them have been touched up. Headlight looks good. You're going to see a few rock chips every once in a while. Some small scratches. Looks like we have a crack right there. Then here on this fender flare, you're going to see some very minor rock chips every once in a while, some really light scuffs. Then here on the top of this light, there are some larger chips around this screw. You can see some small scuffs here on the hood. And a lot of this is really minor. Little ding here, some small chips that have been touched up. The rest of that door looks good. That upper section looks nice. There's a gash here that looks like it's been repaired and touched up a little bit. Got a chip here, a couple dings, some really minor chips, a couple scuffs and chips on that bed rail. There's a really small crease here. You can see it in the lighting there, that little reflection kind of warps. Wheels look amazing. And then here on the back side, you're going to see a couple scuffs and chips on the upper side of this tailgate. They're all very minor. We got a chip here that's been touched up, and you can see some minor cracking starting to form right there with a chip. That chrome bumper looks amazing. The exhaust tips look good. The lights are nice and clear. Those look really good. Looking at this door panel, looks amazing. Seat bolster looks good. I see a couple stains every once in a while. I don't see any rips or tears though. And these seats are really comfy. Got a couple imperfections on the carpet, but otherwise clean. And looking at the dash, got the Kenwood, a couple chips that have been touched up. Otherwise looks really good.